Hello everyone! Welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create text reveal walk effect in Premiere Pro. Let's dive into it. First things first, drag the footage in the project timeline where you want to apply text reveal walk effect. Now analyze the footage, finalize the position where you want to place the text, and reveal. You're going to reveal the text through the man. Then, take a text. It can be anything. Here I'm taking a random text named beach, as it's a beach footage. Change the text size, alignment, and other text properties, and most important, the position where you want to place it. Then duplicate the footage layer and keep the text layer in between them. Now, select the upper footage layer. Go to opacity of that footage. Using Pen tool, draw mask including the man in the footage like this. Set a keyframe here and move 2/3 frame ahead. Then fix the mask again like this. It's basically creating keyframes on that position automatically. So after that, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to draw and fix the masks of the man in the footage. The text will be revealed slowly. You just have to complete the masking. This is the most important and only thing you have to do properly. After the finishing part, check the whole thing if it's worked perfectly or not. If not, there might be some masking problem or minor error in the footage and in the text portion. You just have to go back to the point of the footage and fix the masking point. That's it. Do the final check. Masking is done. Now play the footage. That's how you create text reveal walk effect in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.